Hi everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the video and I hope you subscribe. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, some recipes and yeah, whatever. So let's start. What am I going to talk about today? I am going to talk about products I have bought and bought again. So products I keep repurchasing and why. So I have my little bucket thingy, my little bin full of things, and let's begin. So I'm just going to pull them out in any order. So first thing is a perfume. This is Escada Notes. I have purchased this like 3-4 times. It's my go-to summer perfume. It smells like a flower, a floral, powdery scent. I like these kinds of scents. So if you like that, you should definitely check it out. Escada Notes. So that's one thing I've bought a couple of times. Another thing I have repurchased is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium. It's this color. I use this as a contour. I had the palette which had a contour, a highlighter in it, the one with the bow, I don't remember, Cocoa palette or something. But I ran out of the contour color, so I decided just to buy this, and this is what I use to contour. So I really like this. It's easy to blend and all that. Now my mascara, this is the mascara I always go to. It's the Volume Reveal by Bourjois, and this makes your this makes your eyelashes thick and long. This is what the brush looks like, and you just use it. Well, you use everything, but yeah, I have bought loads of these. It makes my eyelashes look thick and long, and yeah, it's a really nice product, so you should definitely check it out. For drugstore mascara, it's really good. Now, another product I repurchased and I use is this Bobbi Brown eyebrow. This is for the eyebrows mascara. I use this and I just apply a little bit on my eyebrows. And that's how I give color to my eyebrows. I don't use pencils and stuff. I don't have time for that. But I really like this. It's easy to use. It doesn't, spread all over your face. So yeah, I like it. That's why I repurchased. What else do I have here? Foundation. Everybody talks about this. Everybody knows. And if you don't, you should check this out. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. If you want to look like a porcelain doll, full coverage, long lasting, really good foundation, you should check this out. This is really good, kind of pricey, difficult to apply. That's what I don't like about it, but it's worth it. Like, you really need to check this out if you haven't already. What else? Another product. Oh, this looks a bit dirty. Sorry guys, but I have it in my makeup stash and I use this every day. So this is hang on, what is this? Let me just say, it's the Dior Skin Forever and Ever Control. It's like this. It's a loose powder, and I use this as when I use powder over my foundation to keep my foundation lasting longer. So I have bought a couple of these because I really like it. What else have I repurchased? Oh yeah, so I have my expensive foundation. I also have my more affordable line. I use the Infallible 24-Hour Matte L'Oreal. This is my everyday makeup. I'm in the shade Vanilla. I have bought so many of these. It's not the most long lasting, so 24 hours coverage, no way. But it is really good. It's easy to blend. The result is nice, so that's why I keep on repurchasing that. And it's usually 3 for 2. Yeah, 3 for 2. So that's why I like it. What else do I have here? Oh, another perfume. I've talked about this many times. I'm going to say it again. This is probably the perfume that I have received the most compliments about. Sexy, sophisticated scent. It's the Clinique Aromatics White. This is what Estee Lauder gave to Clinique, the Elixir line. And it's one of the first perfumes that launched, like the Elixir line. It smells, as I've said many times, like a mixture of No. 5 Chanel and talcum powder. Check this out. Really nice perfume. heavy though. It's not light. Like the Escada Notes is a summery scent. This you can wear whenever you want, but it's a more heavy scent. And 2 more products. This is my favorite spray for the hair. It's the Charles Worthington Diamond Shine Booster All Over Glow. It makes my hair nice and shiny. If you're blonde, you should really try this. It gives a nice glow to your hair. And I've bought loads of them, so I really, really like this. And it doesn't make your hair greasy. And finally, skincare. Clinique Moisture Surge. If you have sensitive skin like me or dry skin like me, you should really check this out. It's very lightweight. It's like a gel. You apply it on your skin and the next day your skin is much, much better. When I have dry patches, this is my go-to. I have purchased this so many times and I really love it. So, those are some of the products I buy and buy again over and over. Let me know what you like to buy, and if you have any suggestions of something that's really good, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!